So you just got a car accident and your car is damaged. How do you get the most amount of money for your car? Hey, my name is attorney Edward Reyes, and I'm going to explain to you how to maximize the most amount of money for the value of your car when you're involved in a car accident. And if you watch to the end of this video, there will be PDFs that will give you a breakdown of how to do this and templates that you could use to help fight with the insurance company to get more money for your vehicle. Now, the first thing you have to do is you have to see if the car is totaled or not totaled. If the car is a total loss, the insurance company will only pay the value of that car. If you are upside down, you may have a problem of still owing the money in the loan. Now, if you're upside down, if you have gap insurance may cover the offset to pay off the loan amount, and unfortunately not going to get back any deposits, but they can pay back the loan amount and the car is a total loss. The second thing is, if your car is not a total loss, what is the value of the car to make the repairs? Whenever you have to make the repairs on the car, they're going to send, and I say there, the insurance company on the other side, the at-fault party's insurance company, unless you use your own insurance company, they're going to send an adjuster to look at your car. Some field adjusters will still do this, some insurance companies will still do this, but not all. Sometimes they'll send you to an auto body shop that they have a relationship with to do an adjustment on your car. Those people get a substantial amount of business from that insurance company. So clearly their benefit is for that insurance company. You have to get an estimate from that place. However, I recommend you get estimates from different places, that way you can have a comparison. Once they do the estimate, you can take it to any other body shop you want to, no matter what the insurance company tells you. The insurance company is going to try to have you take it to their place. So you can take it to any place that you feel comfortable with, that you trust, to do the repairs of the car. If the value of the car is under, they're gonna total loss your car. If the value of the car is greater but the repairs are less, it's gonna be a repair of the car. Whenever you take it to a place that you trust, what happens is that, let's say the repairs are X amount of dollars, but the adjuster at the insurance company, the other insurance company, said it's worth Y, meaning less. Then at that point, the person that's fixing your car can ask for supplements to get the car repaired, saying this is directly related to the accident, therefore we need more money to pay for the value of the car. Other things to consider: whenever you're involved in a car accident, the value of the car is substantially less, or it's less because now it's a wrecked vehicle. So if somebody pulls a Carfax from that car, it's going to show that there's a car accident and there's damage to that car. So the value of the vehicle is less. That's a second claim you can bring as well: diminished value. What is diminished value? It's a decrease of value after the accident. Insurance agents, they try to fight you on this. They never want to pay you the value of this. And to hire a private adjuster gets very expensive. What you can do, you can go to other dealerships and ask other dealerships and say, what would be the value of my car if I was not in a car accident with these many miles and this condition, and what is the value after the car accident with these many miles and this condition. That difference in value is a decrease in value that the insurance company would have to reimburse you back. They may fight you on this, but this is why it's very important to get multiple estimates from multiple dealerships. They kind of give you an idea of what the diminished value, the decrease in value is. If again, the car is a total loss, you're going to want to maximize everything possible that you had in that car. Did you have speakers? Did you have rims? Did you have upgraded radio? Did you have anything that added value to that car? A brand new motor? You need to produce the receipts or somehow another show that the value was X, because that will help increase the value of the car for the aftermarket products that were damaged as to the car accident, which is not your fault. So that's how you bring the value higher. You want to get the aftermarket products that you put in, or anything you've invested in the car recently that has added value to the car, and now they're not covering it because they're only covering the value of the car, but you need to show them the proof of the items that you have in there and try to get a value of it if you were to buy it in today's dollars. If you bought something 10 years ago, it may not be worth the same as it is today. Depends on the products. So you want to see, did you add anything extra? Was it damaged? And then that can increase the value of the car. Like I said, at the end of this video, I will give you a formula, a sheet that can break down of how you can help value your car. And again, for the diminished value, you want to go to different dealerships to get different estimates, and that way you can build a case of what the value of the car would be before the accident and what the value is after the car accident. If you have any questions on this, of course, send me a message and we're here to help you out.